In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Powerform ID on Docusign, and we'll do this in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. To start, what you want to do first is head over to the Docusign website. You'll find Docusign as a leading platform in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management. So this is the right place to be for managing all your digital documents. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, the next step is to locate the Login button. You'll typically find it at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button and input your credentials to access your account. If you're not already a member, you'll need to sign up and create an account before proceeding. After logging in, direct your attention to the Agreements section. This is where you manage all the contracts and forms you have within Docusign. It's straightforward. Simply click on the Agreements tab and you'll see the different documents you're handling. With that done, you'll want to go to the section specifically for Powerforms. Navigate carefully through your Docusign dashboard until you find the Powerforms section and click on it. Powerforms are an incredible feature when you need to share forms with users who don't have direct access to your account. Next, you might notice an option that says Upgrade. Clicking here is necessary if you want to access enhanced features or if you're considering upgrading your current service plan. It's a move you might want to make if you anticipate scaling up your document management needs soon. Now, if you do consider upgrading, you'll also encounter a section labeled Upgrade Your Plan. This area will provide you with detailed information about different plans available, tailored to fit specific business needs. It's a good idea to explore this section if you are currently evaluating or want a better understanding of various pricing options and features available to you. And that wraps up our quick guide to checking your Powerform ID in Docusign. It's a seamless process once you know where everything is located within your Docusign dashboard, and following these steps should provide you with all the access and understanding you need. Keep practicing these steps, and soon navigating Docusign will become second nature. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.